Hello. So we're about halfway through the summer where I'm at. And I was thinking about how this kind of can be the hard part of summer. So I wanted to give you 3 tips on kind of how to take care of yourself for these extra hot days and where the days feel like everybody's a little bit extra tired, maybe getting tired of each other. So let's talk about these 3 things to make this rest of your summer a summer of yes. So the first thing I want you to focus on is to come back to what really makes you feel alive. What is your biggest yes this summer? So you probably had an idea before summer started of what you wanted summer to feel like for you. Did you want to have it be a summer of adventure? Was it a summer of resetting? Was it a summer of recharging? Whatever your yes was, just spend a couple of minutes anchoring back into that. You can always try a hand to a heart or your face. Just take a couple of breaths and connect back to that. What was that thing you wanted out of the summer? What was going to make you feel like this? You like won the summer, for lack of a better way of putting it. And then, is there anything that you need to bring in, schedule, let go of to make that happen? To bring that spirit into the rest of the summer. So first, anchor to what your yes is or what makes you feel alive. Second, I'm going to invite you to slow down. The summer's going to unfold the way that it's unfolding. And I imagine one of your guesses is to be present for it. The only way you can do that now is to be here now. And be okay with the fact that you're going to have ebbs and flows throughout the summer. So you can't be at like 100% the whole entire summer. You're going to have times when you feel like you want to take it easy. I know for me, I really love to work this around my menstrual cycle. And I know that when I'm ovulating, that's the time I'm going to want to be spending all day with people, having adventures. It doesn't need to be predictable. I just want to like savor it all. Versus when I'm in my luteal phase, premenstrual phase, I might need to make sure that while I want to plan outings and activities for my kiddo, I'm also going to make sure that I balance that with time for myself, because too much of one thing is going to be really agitating, and then that's going to come out. So second tip is to slow down and embrace the natural rhythms. And the third tip kind of ties into these is to prioritize what matters most right now. So just like your yes, your priority is the one thing, you can only really have one priority, the one thing that means the most right now. Is it connecting time with your kids? Is it doing things you've never done before? Is it organizing a space that you just don't seem to have time to get to? You get to decide. And even if your priority is just for 3 hours, decide on that priority, slow down enough to give it your attention, and then move forward. So the 3 things again: anchor to what makes you feel alive, slow down, embrace your natural rhythms, and to prioritize what matters most to you. All right, I hope these tips were helpful. I hope they inspire you to not feel like you have to do it all, but you do what matters most to you. And I look forward to connecting with you. Take care.